If you're looking for a mid-size SUV that's four-wheel drive ready for off-road adventure for the whole family, we've got it right here with this pre-owned 2023 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition. Oh yeah, V6 power underneath the hood, hunter green on the outside, 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Toyo all-terrains. Oh yeah. On the inside we have a hybrid leather and premium cloth. These are heated seats. Also we have our different drive modes, park and brake. Shifter right here on the center console, connectivity for USB 2 or USB 3 and C. Climate controls, also our center stack for all of our apps and everything, and of course 2 traditional gauges and a digital driver information station, leather wrap steering wheel with paddle shift. Oh yeah. Second row twin captain chairs. Oh yeah. Plenty of big huge floor mats to keep the inside clean. We have our USB hub here, also our climate controls, a couple of cup holders, and guess what? Yes, there is a third row. Notice on top we have a big huge cargo rack for all of your necessities, and in the back third row, guess what? More of those big huge mats here. We sit there, pull this, and we can put the third row down just like that, and on both sides. And of course with the captain chairs, put those down, you've got more room for cargo with this pre-owned 2023 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition 4-wheel drive right here at Payne Pre-Owned Harlingen. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.